Boy Anats, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful Monday that we have today. So firstly, we are going to be dealing with the regular pairs that we usually do, but I'm just going to analyze 3 pairs for you guys. So with the DXY, guys, when it comes to the DXY, I've already analyzed the DXY. Let me tell you why I've analyzed the DXY the way I've analyzed it. So first of all, what I did in the DXY, I looked at my higher time frame and I marked my zones, which is zone number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. These zones that I've just marked, highlighted, those are the zones that I've marked, important zones, whereby the market may usually turn. So I added my my parallel line channel so that I can have 3 touches, guys. Like how many touches? Touch 1, touch 2, touch 3. This acts as a point of a resistance, guys. This is our resistance point, or let me say support zone, because of why price didn't close up below. Basically I support up, then I supported it twice and it went up, then it's looking for support for the 3rd time in order for it to shoot up with the DXY, guys. Like I'm anticipating buys on the DXY. Let me go to my 4-hour time frame. So in my 4-hour time frame, what I see that price is about to open, price is about to enter my entry point on the DXY in order for it to have buys, guys. Like, since we kind of had like a downtrend last week, the kind of downtrend that I saw last week, so I'm anticipating the market to come do this and come and continue with the downtrend, or the market might just continue towards the upper trend and go up. That's what I'm currently looking forward to. 2 things might happen, or else the market might decide to break above. But if it decides to break above, at least my risk to reward ratio is fine. I can lose that amount. So let's go to the gold. So when it comes to the gold, with the gold, I expected that retest to happen, but the retest did not happen in order for me to enter. So the market decided just to push down. As you guys can see with the gold, what's happening with the gold. So the market decided to, yes, you know what, let me just push down. But I was anticipating for that breakout retest. So maybe it's gonna happen. It might happen over, what am I doing? With the gold, the breakout retest might happen over like this, since the price closed below the support zone, which makes this a resistance currently. So as you guys can see, the price is currently going to be tracing inside, then continue, come down and give us that proper retest that we're anticipating, that we're waiting for. So I'm going to be 50% zone. Yeah, so that's what I'm just going to do, wait for that entry point to come when it comes to the gold. Just that entry point to form, then continue with our sales. No? So let me just leave the USD alone and go to which pair. Guys, things is USD JPY also did not come to our zone, but at least I'm just gonna let it play out and wait for it to break above, below, or give us a continuation towards the upper side. That's what I see might happen. Since this is a downtrend, I'm just going to be deleting these alerts, because like it's a waste of alerts. Waste of alerts. So Euro USD, actually I want to look at Euro USD, the 3 pairs only that I want to look at today. Let's go to the Euro USD. I don't know what's happening over here. OUSD. Firstly, OUSD. So gang, let me tell you about the OUSD story. So with the OUSD, I'm waiting for that retest to form correctly. Since as you guys can see, Euro USD is currently looking for that retest to form. Until when it's done, we might enter at our 50% zone. Then we continue with our downside. Then we continue with our short sales. Those are not long-term sellers, those are short-term sellers. So also when it comes to the EURUSD, guys, like this pairs I've analyzed in the morning, then I forgot like to record my things. So I'm just going to be telling you guys the story. Like I've analyzed them in the morning, and what I did is that I forgot. That's the thing. I forgot to record my analysis. So now on the H4 time frame, what I'm waiting for when it comes to the EURUSD, I'm waiting for the weekly retest. I'm waiting for that weekly retest. Continue. You know. I'm waiting for this weekly retest, guys. I know my path and get wrong like I'm not the ganji, yeah. But let me just fix my entry point because yes sir. I'm not inside this trade yet. Where is this trade open? Like that. I'm waiting for that retest to happen, guys. Then we continue with our buys when it comes to the USD. I think I should reanalyze the USD GPY for you guys. Then I'll close the charts. Yes, sir. So last week NFP was great to some of us. You know, it was great and it was bad to some of the other people. What I'm currently doing now, marking my zones, guys. The most important zones. I'm a price action baby, guys. I'm a price action trader. Yes, sir. So currently, the trend that we are in regards to US30 is the downtrend. I'm gonna be shooting up parallel. I'm gonna be putting a parallel line also. I'm gonna put the parallel line in the daily and the weekly time frame. Let me go to my daily time frame. Currently, when it comes to the daily time frame, guys, I see like NFP pushed EURUSD down. I don't wanna lie. So today, as the market opened today, Monday morning, the market decided, you know what, let me just continue with them bears, but without a retest. It was supposed to give correctly. So over here, we might get retracements. The price might just turn around and go up. You guys see what I'm saying? I want you guys to see what I'm seeing actually. A parallel channel again. Guys, I think I told you guys why am I using this parallel channel. I'm using it in order to protect myself from breakouts. You know, I'm using to protect myself from fake outs. It is very important for one to protect themselves from fake outs. It is very much important. So what we might be looking for is buys on USD GPY currently. We might be looking for buys currently at the moment. But firstly, I need that 50% zone to be touched. We might be looking for short-term buys as those retracement buys. Because of like, okay, support zone is failed. This support zone It's not filled yet, so you might be looking for buys, short buys. I can even go to the lower time frame. As you guys can see, price will be looking for those rejection. Just the 50% zone open. It's that's it for me. From me to you guys. Oh shit, I forgot to tell you guys. Oof. My trade from last week is still running. This trade over here. But I had to close because of why? Why did I close? Price hit my stop loss over here, then decided to retrace back. Currently now entered again more positions from here in order for it to go up, you know. Let me show you my MT5. This is what's happening with the MT5. This is the trade that I was talking about. This is the trade.